Welcome to R.G. Blauer's Homestead. It's August 21st, Wednesday, and we're going to try out the new sidewalk here. Our grandson fixed the sidewalk. You can see here where it's a different color. That was a big hole from always putting salt there because of the slant. Then we had to put salt down, and then that ate away at the cement. So the sidewalk is fixed, and it's much safer going down. Just slid right down. So what do you got to say about it, Dick?
Well, we really appreciate our grandson.
Yep, he did a good job, and he's quick. He did it quick, too. It didn't take him all day. He used that Quikrete. And that Quikrete is, actually, you could have probably, it was 2 days ago that he did it, so.
Yes. Thank you, Josh.
Yep. So, like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.